So let's say if you want to do some kind of a fiery gradient or something, then you can use this gradient tool. And let's see, gradient tool. How come it's not showing? It shouldn't. Okay, no problem. Gradient, there it is. So it's under Window, Gradient. Let's see. So fill color, maybe we can just use this. So what you need to do is, like, I have this circle selected, so it's showing here the color chips, showing fill color as brown, and then there's no stroke, and I just need to click this, so it'll. I'm sorry. All right. Okay, so let me just go back. So the gradient is under, let's see, Window and the gradient. And then see the object, I have a circle selected, and so the chip shows the fill color, no stroke. In this, to have the gradient, I can just click on this. So this is a linear gradient, as you know, this linear gradient is highlighted, and this is radial, this. So these two types, I'm not sure what this is. This looks very funky. Freeform gradient. Okay, I guess you can edit, you can draw points and then have a freeform gradient, but let's not get into it for now. So we have linear and gradient, radial gradient. And to edit the colors, you select these little dots, and then you are changing the colors with this. So let's see, CMYK. And again, this one. Like this. So in our case, let's say if you want to do some like orange, like because it's a fiery, say if you want to just kind of decorate it such a way, then this. So gradient is under Window, gradient here. Colors, it's just this. Now, okay, so I think you just have to select a little circle. Let's say this one. If you, okay, so you need to go to this, then you have to select, it was this, grayscale. Right? I'm just changing it to CMYK, so it's not one color, it's just the CMYK breakdown. Or you can change it to RGB if you want. But when you have a gradient, it typically just be as like a grayscale. You have to convert it to CMYK. So here you can add. So this let me just select this one. This one is easier to see. So this one, let's say if I slide it over, then you know it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see right away. Now, if you want to add a separate, like a third color, you can just click on the bottom part here. Just click on it, and you can just change the color. Okay. And of course, you can have different sliders. Again, I don't know what's the limit, but yeah, you can have a decent number of colors if you want. Yeah, try it. So yeah, I'm done with the gradient. Why don't you guys try it now? And if you have any questions. So I have a very funky. So let's start from the scratch. So I have it like this. And if I want to radial, I could use this, or linear. Now, if I want to change this white color, then click on the circle and go to color, and then make sure that you change it to CMYK. By default, for some reason, it says grayscale. Change it to CMYK, then you will have these sliders. If you don't see the sliders, then you have to click on the show options. Okay, show options. So these are just what you need to do, and then change the color. Now this one, like this. And then if you want to add a third, fourth color, you just click on the bottom area of the slider. So you can just, sure, okay. So here, this one I'm talking about, this is the, let me just, if you don't want the color, you can just drag it out like this. Okay, drag it out. This is a slider that I was talking about, just changing the spectrum. Okay? All right. So everyone, how's everyone? Good? Good.